hope you are having a great day and ready to start our next project. So we are going to go to makecode.microbit.org. In there you will see your different projects if you didn't clear your history. Now, if you cleared your history and you don't have a Microsoft account, then you're going to lose everything that you have in here. Just a word of caution. So what we are going to do is we're going to start a new project. Today we're going to do a new project where we're going to rate how you feel while you're in space. And we're going to call this project Rate How You Feel in Space. So in the near future, astronauts will be going on longer and longer missions. For instance, one of the trips that we might take in the future is a trip to Mars. So while we are doing that, astronauts will have to monitor their health. So we're going to make a simple "How do you feel" button while in space. So I'm going to get rid of the on start and I'm going to get rid of the forever clock. We are going to click on the input and we're going to do a different input today, which is on pin. Now, if you've noticed down here on your microbits, there are certain pins. There's pin 0, pin 1, pin 2, there's a 3-volt and a ground. So let's change this to pin 1. So every time the astronaut touches pin 1, it's going to come back with a health reading. So we are going to click on basic and we're going to find show number, because when the astronaut touches pin 1, we want to rate how they feel. So we're going to get a number and our numbers will be between 1 and 10. Then you're going to go to math, and it's purple, has a picture of a little calculator, and we're going to pick a random number. So we're going to pick a random number from 0 to 10 and we'll click that in. So basically what's going to happen is that when the astronaut touches pin 1, it's going to pick up how they feel. 0 is they feel terrible and 10 is they feel great. So let's press pin 1 and we got a 5. So the astronaut's feeling so-so. Let's try it again. Pin 1 is 4. So these will come back with random number. If you're using your Microbit kit at home, you need to press pin 1 and you need to press ground in order to make that Microbit work. Well, I hope you have a fun time creating and have a great day.